How to add an image to a PDF. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add any image to a PDF. So let's get started. Suppose this is the sample PDF and we wish to add an image over here. So what you gotta do is simply head over to this website, that is Sejda.com. There are numerous websites that you can search, but I recommend you using this one because it is easy to use. And then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to click on edit a PDF document. Once you do so, you're going to click on upload PDF file and simply select that PDF file from your PC. Once uploaded, you'll be able to see the PDF uploaded over here. So what you got to do is click on images over here, and then you can simply click on new image and then upload the image from your computer. So this is the image that I uploaded. Now you're going to select the place on your PDF where you wish to add this image. So I've clicked over here, so the image has been added, but that's not all. You can simply resize the image and place it anywhere in the PDF wherever you want. So you can freely move it around the PDF and select any desirable place. So I'm going to select this place, and once done, you can head over, click on apply changes. So just wait for the changes to get applied. And then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So all you need to do is simply click on download, and you can see that the image has been added to the PDF. So click on download, and then you'll be redirected to another interface that will begin your download process. So here you can see the download has begun, and just shortly after that, the PDF will be saved on your computer. So now let's head over and click on the downloaded PDF, and now you can see that the image has been added. So that is basically how you can add an image to a PDF. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.